Hello, today I want to show you how you can create a folder or a file on your VS Code. It's going to be a very simple step for you to do. So first of all, before you start coding, the first thing that you need to do is for you to ensure that you have this. The first thing for you to do is for you to ensure that at your desktop, you create a file. First of all, create a file that is the file that will have all the information that you want to use for coding. So as you can see mine right here, this is mine. Before I use for coding, I have a picture in. Just a moment. I have a picture. There's a picture and all that I'm going to use for all this. So once you create that, the next thing that you're going to do is for you to come right here and this section. Then you're going to click at adding a new file. So you'll click right here, new file. So once you do that, it will give you this section where you will have to click HTML, index.html. So basically index.html. So once you have done it, import it. So you're going to ask you Java not script or what. So like that, then you can see, as you can see, I have this file. I already have this file created, so I can start coding. So you can realize that when you want to start coding, first of all, to make it simple for you, you need to put in an exclamation mark. So let me just show you on how I'm going to do that. I have to input in an exclamation mark. Just a moment. Just a moment. I have to put in an exclamation mark. Let me show you. So once you have that, right there, just a moment. Put in right here. So you'll notice once you input that exclamation, then you press enter, it will bring you all this information. So before you start coding, what you're going to do, just remove all this. Just remove all this. You won't need all this. So you're just going to delete all that. Then you continue from here. It is very simple, just like that when you're doing coding. So right here, you can add all other file. You can add an image that you want to it should be installed in your file. So that is all. If you find this video helpful, please share it and like and subscribe.